You can eat after 1,000,000 hours.
That's impossible. You can't do that. You have to break the rules and eat, Devin. You can't starve yourself for that long. You're gonna die.
What's gonna happen now? I guess we'll just wait and find out.
Are you crazy? Your back's gonna get blown out now. He only has 5 hours left. Yeah, I heard he's gonna be thrown in the pit to get slaughtered.
I highly doubt that, Jay.
Why do you think they call it the Hunger Games, Devin?
Hey, Mom, what's for lunch?
What is that timer above your head?
I don't know. I ate a cupcake and...
Devin, why didn't you wait for another failure? Devin, you're the first ever student that has broken the rules.
So I'm gonna be the first person to know what happens when you eat something?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Jeez, man, you're still alive?
Yeah, 30 minutes left.
God, I cannot wait for the timer to go off so I can see you cry in the pit. Devin, you only have a minute left.
I'm aware, Mrs. Smith.
Well, you should run away before they capture you.
Who's they?
The Capitol.
Oh, Jesus, please don't be bad.
You have decided to break the rules of our world. Therefore, you'll be drafted in the Hunger Games. May the odds be ever in your favor.